Hello friends, the topic of this video is time complexity of algorithm. So in this video we will see two examples where we will find out the time complexity to run this code. So what is time complexity? Time complexity is the amount of time taken by algorithm to run. So there are two examples. So in first example, there is for loop. So I will start with simple example. So I will create 4 to 5 video on time complexity example. So in first example, you will find for I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, and then there is statement. So this is nothing but the logic. So if you look at this for loop, so this for loop will work from 0 to n, 0 to less than equal to n, means it will execute n plus 1 time. And then the this condition and this statement will execute until and unless this condition is true. If the condition is false, means I less than equal to n, so this statement will be execute n time, not n plus 1, because at last iteration this condition will be false, hence it will not be executed. So this statement will be executed n time. So hence the time complexity, time, since it is executed n time, the time complexity will be order of n. Okay, so this is the first example, simple example. Now let us reverse this loop. So I is starting with n and I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. So at every iteration the I value is decremented. So it is starting with n. Whether you will run the loop from 1 to 10 or 10 to 1, it is same thing. So that's why again it will be executed n plus 1 time, and when this condition will be false, so this statement will not be executed n plus 1 time, it will be executed n time. So since the statement is executed n time, so the time complexity of this code will be order of n. So this is how the time complexity is calculated. So these are the two simple example I have started with. That's it for this video. I do hope you understand how to find time complexity. In next video I will take a little bit complicated example. So if you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.